Since I was a kid, I've been captivated by nature. I remember watching National Geographic documentaries over and over, mesmerized by the beauty of the earth, the animals, and distant places that seemed so far from home. As I grew older, I was lucky enough to explore some of those amazing places myself, and there's nothing quite like that moment of awe when you're standing before a breathtaking landscape, feeling the silence, the fresh air, that deep moment of reflection. It's in those pauses that I feel truly present, just me and the world around me. Being face to face with a beautiful creature, its strength and vulnerability, it reminds me how fortunate we are to be here, to witness and appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds us.